Welcome back everyone to our Microsoft Word tutorial series. In our last lecture, we covered the basics of Word and how to create and format documents. Today we are diving into the Insert tab, which is packed with features to help you enhance your document. Let's start by taking a look at the Insert tab. You can find it here, right between the Home and Page Layout tabs. The Insert tab is incredibly useful for adding different types of content to your documents, such as pictures, tables, and many more. Here in the Insert tab, we have several groups of tools, such as pages, tables, illustrations, add-ins, media, links, comments, header, footer, text, and symbols. So let's start from the cover page. This is the cover page here, from which you can select any of the cover page template according to your desire. So, for example, if I select this one, it will be added here. For example, I am talking about time management, so it is time management, a brief study of this time management, and this is the date. And also this one is the title of the company Tech Studio. Okay, so I have added a cover page on my document. This is it. And now, if I want to add a blank page between these two pages, so I will move the cursor on the start of this and add a blank page. So this will be my blank page. And if I want to break my page, sorry for this one. If I want to break the page, for example, this will be a page break, okay. And now I am going to insert a table. I want to insert a table. This is my table. This is composed of rows and columns. So this will be as much as I want to add. If I want to add 3 or 1 or 2, like this, so I will go for a 4 table. Okay, 2 into 2 table, insert table. This will be my table. So this is the table, and the design of the table will come. This is the design of the table, which you can select from here. For example, if I select this one, if I select this one, for example, time, and space, fine, and day 1, for example, day 1, Monday. So you can add the table elements like this. If you want to add more rows or columns, you can add rows by clicking this horizontal. And if you want to add column, you can add from here. Okay, so this is added. Similarly, if you want to increase the table size, you can increase it by like this, okay? Or divide. If you want to increase, you can do it like this. Okay, so moving on the other things, shading. This is the shading of the color on whatever table or row you are. It will be the color of it, like this. And border styles. This is the border styles. I can select any of the border style and click on it. It will be styled as per your demand, okay? This was the border style. And border pointer, borders, top border, no border, right border, all borders, inside border, horizontal diagonal border. You can have a diagonal up border, horizontal border, and draw table. You can draw another table as well. For example, I want to draw table like this, so it will be drawn here. Fine. Now I want to delete any other table or erase table. I can erase this table, so it will be erased, and this as well. So this will be a little messier. So I want to delete this row, okay? So erase. And this is erased. Now, this looks like a little find. So this was the table. You can design your table as now another table is added here, and now you can design it from here. Okay, split table. This table is split into two tables. The current row will be the first row of the new table. Okay, so it split cells, the cells into two multiple cells. It is splitted. Distributed rows and other options are here. Text direction, the direction of the text, the changes within the selected cells. Okay, so this is cell margin. Cell margin, customize the margins and the spacing between your cells. This is the sorting of the text. This is repeat header row, convert to text formula, and many more options are here. If you want to go to the design of this table, so this was the layout, okay. This was the layout of the table. This is the design of the table. You can have shading, you can have border style, pen color. Okay, you can select a pen color. For example, blue color pen. Like this, okay? So, borders are there. So widget this. So this was the table. And you can insert a picture. For example, if I insert a picture at the end of my page, okay, this is my picture, and I want to format my picture, so I will be selecting it from here, like, for example, if I select a picture like this, so it will be designed. This is the removal of the background. If you want to remove background, the background will be removed. Keep changes or discard. This is automatically removed. Okay, so discard all changes. Color correction. This is the color correction. I would go with this color. And this was the correction. This is the color. Black and white or no color, like this. More variations are selected from here. Artistic effects. You can have an artistic effect. For example, I would go with this one. The look is totally changed. You can see, okay. So, compress picture is use the store command. If you want to compress your picture, you can do it from here. Change picture. If you don't like this picture, you can change it by selecting this option. Change to a different picture, preserving the formatting and size of the current picture. Reset picture is discard all the changes which you applied on this picture, okay? So this was the picture border. If you want to add a border on this picture, if you want to have the picture visual effect of the picture such as shadow, glow, reflection, or 3D, this is the picture layout. You can select this layout, and for example, if I select this or this one and insert a text, for example, graphical picture. And if you want to make changes on this one, you can select from here. Like this, okay. Graphical picture. Okay, so I will delete this picture. Change, if you want to change the color, you can select it like this. So this was the design of the Smart Tools. And this is it. It's quite pretty. Now moving to the shapes. This is the online pictures. If you don't have any picture in your laptop or PC, so you can select from online pictures and you will have some online pictures here. This is the shapes. You can add a shape. For example, if I want to add shape, for example, if I want to add this shape, now select a design of the shape. Example, this one or this one. If you want to add some text and make the text bigger so that it could be visible. Okay, change the color of the text from here as well. Red is, let's keep it black. Now, shape outline. This will be the outline of the shape. For example, let's select, first of all, the weight of the shape outline, 6 pt. Now shape outline color will be this blue-gray. Now you can see. And if you don't like the font of this, you can select the font text from here. This will be shadow. This one, fill gray background, or I would go with this. Text fill. Color of the text weight, it would be blue or green. Text outline would be black. So this will be our shapes. Similarly, you can select the position, then bring forward, send backward, align, and this all are the options. Okay, you can edit the shape as change the shape of this drawing and convert it to a free form shape, or edit the wrap points to determine how text wraps around the drawing. This is the draw text box. You can draw text box. You can draw text box anywhere on the shape you want. Okay. So this was the shapes. So I think this was the insert tab in which we studied cover page, blank page, break page, tables, pictures, online pictures, and shapes. So I hope so you learned a lot, and in the next video we will go with the SmartArt charts and the rest. Till then, keep watching my videos. Thank you for